The four main types of clouds in cloud computing. You are interested in the four main types of clouds in cloud computing, right? So let's go together. tech.tapchi.net. Look forward to seeing this article right here. Private, public, hybrid, and multi-clouds are the four basic types of clouds in cloud computing. A unique choice is making a cloud type or cloud service. Even though they are of the same sort, no two clouds are alike, and no two cloud services are employed to address the same issue. But by recognizing the parallels, you can better understand how the limitations of each types of clouds in cloud computing and cloud service could affect your company. The four main types of clouds in cloud computing. 1. Public cloud. Public clouds are run by third parties who offer cloud services to the general public through the Internet with pay-as-you-go invoicing options. They provide ways to reduce the cost of IT infrastructure and develop it into a viable choice for managing peak demands on local infrastructure. Small firms may launch their operations without making significant initial expenditures by depending only on public infrastructure for their IT requirements, making public clouds the go-to choice for these companies. Multi-tenancy is one of the essential properties of public clouds. A public cloud is designed to service many users, not just one particular client. A user needs a virtual computing environment that is distinct from other users and most likely isolated. The following benefits of using a public cloud: extreme scalability, cost-cutting, dependability and adaptability, emergency recovery. The following are the drawbacks of using a public cloud: a loss of data control, privacy and data security, limited access, unforeseen expense. 2. Private cloud. Private clouds are distributed systems that operate on private infrastructure and give users access to computer resources that are dynamically allocated. There may be additional plans that regulate cloud usage and proportionately charge the various departments or areas of an organization in place of the pay-as-you-go approach used in private clouds. HP data centers, Ubuntu, Elastic Private Cloud, Microsoft, and more companies offer private clouds. The following are some benefits of using a private cloud: protection of client information. Since customer data and other sensitive information do not transfer outside the private infrastructure, security issues in the private cloud are reduced. Infrastructure that guarantees SLAs. Private cloud offers a variety of uptime services, including proper clustering, data replication, system monitoring and maintenance, and disaster recovery. Compliance with standard operating procedures. When delivering and running programs in accordance with third-party compliance requirements, specific procedures must be put in place. Given the public cloud, this is not feasible. The following are the drawbacks of utilizing a private cloud. The private cloud is only usable inside a specific area or the limited operational area. The accessible range is so limited. Knowledge needed. Since client data and other sensitive information do not transfer outside the private infrastructure. Security issues in the private cloud are reduced. Consequently, managing and running cloud services requires competent personnel. 3. Hybrid cloud. By merging the resources of the public cloud with the private cloud, a hybrid cloud is created, which is a heterogeneous distributed system. They are also known as heterogeneous clouds because of this. The inability of private installations to grow on demand and effectively handle peak loads is a significant disadvantage. Public clouds are required here. As a result, a hybrid cloud utilizes both public and private clouds. Benefits of utilizing a hybrid cloud include price. Because it is made up of a distributed system, it is less expensive than other clouds. Speed. It is effectively quick and inexpensive, reducing the delay of the data transfer procedure. Security. Security is the most crucial factor. Because it uses a distributed system network, hybrid clouds are completely safe and secure. The following are the drawbacks of adopting a hybrid cloud. Businesses might not have the internal expertise required to develop such a hybrid environment. Additionally, security management could be more difficult. Each set may have different security requirements and access levels. A hybrid cloud may be more challenging to manage. Public cloud and public cloud migration are already challenging enough with all of the options that are already accessible. Not to mention the new PaaS components and technologies that will be introduced every day going forward. To include a hybrid could simply seem like taking things too far. 4. Community cloud. The next types of clouds in cloud computing is the community cloud, to meet the unique demands of an industry, a community, or a particular business sector. Community clouds or distrib.